of things being on you. And you will also recall that there is no verb in Irish, for example, to say I have. You say something is at me. For example, if I want to say I have a pen, literally what I'm saying in Irish is there is a pen at me. Tá pean agam. A pen is at me, in other words. So now we're going to go into yet another expression using these prepositional pronouns, at me, on me, etc. Only this will use the expression from, the preposition from, which in Irish is o. And now this, when you use ta with o, something is from me, this is the way you say that you need something or you want something. So if I have a pen, I'm literally saying that a pen is at me. But here, if you mind holding that up. If I need a pen, it's from me. A pen is from me, darn it. So that's how you say I need a pen or I want a pen. You say a pen is from me. So for example, well, we'll go over those again. So the first two example sentences here. I have a pen, tá pean agam. Literally, a pen is at me. But I need a pen, tá pean uaim. Literally, a pen is from me. So that's how you say I need something or I want something. And there's several different expressions you can use to say I need or want something. This is one of the simplest, and it sort of fits into those patterns of idiomatic expressions where you say something is at you or on you or from you, etc. Incidentally, I'll give the alternate pronunciation of the prepositional pronouns here when I read them out, because I gave them a simple, easy way of pronouncing them, but you will hear it some other ways as well. So the normal preposition for from in Irish is o. Now to say from me, you say uaim. From you, wet. From him, why. From her, wahi. From us, wing. From you, talking to more than one person, wev. From them, wahu. Now, incidentally, you will probably at some point hear somebody say these a little bit differently. Some people, instead of saying wem, which I picked because it was the easiest pronunciation, you'll also hear some people say uam. So I'll go through the alternate pronunciation as well. So you can also say, from me, uam. From you, uat. From him, ui. From her, uhi. From us, uim. From y'all, uav. And from them, uahu. So you'll hear some alternate pronunciations of these. I went with the wem, wet, why, wahi, wing, wuv, wahu, because they're mostly short, like one syllable things, so it makes it easier. So those are when you combine the preposition with the pronoun, from me, from you, etc. If you're just saying from, using it with a noun on its own, you say o, and it causes the noun to be aspirated or lenited. And if you are saying from thee something with the noun, the o meaning from and the un meaning thee combine, contract into one word, own. And that means from thee, and that causes eclipsis, like we saw before with Aaron Galin on the girl or something like that. So if you want to say from the girl, you'd say on Galin. But we'll go into those when we get to the examples. So, okay. So here's a list of some words. You may have seen some of these before. I think most of them are new. That you can use with this tall when expression to say it is from me, which literally means or figuratively means I need or I want. So one of the things you may want or need is money. Adigid. Who doesn't need money? Food is bia. Help is coward. A chair is kahir. Advice, corlia. A drink, joch. A ride, sheeb. And this is a little strange, but I decided to put it in here. More is tilla. So if you want to say I need more, ta tilla when, for example. So I'll read through those nouns again just to give you a second chance at hearing them. Money is adigid. Food is bia. Help is coward. A chair, kahir. Advice, korlia. A drink, joch. A ride, sheeb. And more, tilla. Okay. Now you can also, I threw in a couple of extra words you can use that you may want to use if you're saying I need or I want. The way to say new in Irish is nua. And I have next to it an example using the word car, which means a car. So the way to say a new car in Irish would be car nua. You'll notice that nua comes after the noun. So if you want to say I need a car, tá car wem. But I need a new car, tá car nua wem. And another little word that you can tack on to at the end of the noun is other or another is ella. So if I want another cup, for example, a cup is cup on, but another cup on ella. So if I say I want a cup, tá cup on wem, but I want another cup, tá cup on ella wem. Okay, so does everybody follow how that works? Are there any questions before we get the examples, or do you just want to see the examples right away? It's probably helpful just to see some examples. It's in a few extra words aside from forgetting to take a copy for myself. Okay, so in this one I think I mixed in a few extra words that we've made, or vocabulary words we may have had in other classes. So I'll emphasize those. If I don't have it listed on this sheet of nouns, I'll explain the word when I get to it. So the first one, I need money. This is one you'll probably get used to saying a lot. I need money. Tá airgid wem. Literally, money is from me. You need food. Tá bia wet. Literally, food is from you. He needs a drink. Tá joch wai. Literally, of course, that means a drink is from him. She needs a chair. Tá cahir wahi. A chair is from her. So in other words, she's not on it already, I guess. We need a ride. Tá sheeb wing. Okay, now sheeb is like a ride or a lift somewhere, that sort of a ride. I don't think it would be like a carnival ride or anything. So we need a ride is tá sheeb wing. The next one, you need help, talking to more than one person. Tá cower with. So cower is help. So in other words, literally, help is away from you. So it's not at you. So you need it. Tá cower with. This is the plural of you talking to more than one person. Sorry. Yeah, that gets a little bit confusing. I'm never sure whether I should put it in there as yous or y'all or something to indicate that it's more than one person that you're talking to. The plural you. The next one, they need advice. Tá corlia wahu. Okay, so advice is corlia, and so literally advice is from them. Tá corlia wahu. That's how you say they need advice. Now again, this can loosely be translated as want or need, so sometimes I switch back and forth a little bit. So in the next set I have it translated as want, but you could also use it to mean need as well. So Mary wants a new car. Tá car nua ó waire. So again, car nua is a new car, literally a car new. And when you use o just on its own with a regular noun like Moira, it aspirates it, so it becomes ó waire, from Mary, ó waire. So Mary wants a new car, literally a new car is from Mary. Tá car nua ó waire. John wants another shirt. Tá léna ella ó Sean. Okay, so léna is a shirt. Léna ella, another shirt. And again, Sean is John in Irish, but from John, ó Sean, it's aspirates again. So John wants another shirt. Literally, another shirt is from John. Tá léna ella ó Sean. Okay.
It's the same as saying why. Same as saying why.
What do you mean? Oh, you mean tá léna ella why? That would mean he needs another shirt. or he wants another shirt. So if you use Y, that would mean from him.
You just wouldn't use his name.
Right, and that's what you would say if you didn't want to bother using his name. But if you did want to bother using his name, there is no, since you're not using a pronoun there, you're using his actual name, a noun, Sean. Instead of using the prepositional pronoun Y, meaning from him, you would use O Hyun, from John. Okay? The next two are a little weird, but I always want to throw in some nouns that aren't names. So, a woman wants a drink. Tá joch ó van. So a joch is a drink, ban is a woman, but if you're saying from a woman, it would be ó van. So it aspirates it. Tá joch ó van. Like I said, I don't know when you would find occasion to use it. I just put it in there to illustrate the grammar of it a little. It's a little awkward as a sentence, but so.